Hello, everybody. I am Taha Muhammad, USA Kurd. Why I am telling Kurd? Because Kurd will be happy because their son solved Fermat's last theorem in one line. That's why I am telling Kurd. The 100 million Kurds in Kurdistan will be happy for me that their son, I am father, grandfather. What's son talking about? Okay, I am 82. Solved what? Fermat's last theorem in one line. Do you believe that? Yes. Why? Because Earth plus Moon less than the universe, correct? And you will tell me what's going on, Taha. Why you are talking like that? Okay. Fermat's last theorem, Taha, okay. Abstract, S a to the n plus b to the n equals c to the n. Prove. If, let me raise this, do you see it? If a plus b not equal to c, then you have a lot of integers, 0, negative, positive, uv. Subtract from ab in order to create what? C. Both sides raise it to n. Then this is binomial. And create polynomial. Then you will get for guarantee a to the n and b to the n. Others, let's tell it g. And nobody 0. Because when you tell 5 to the 3 is 125, can you subtract 5 from 125 and tell answer is 120? No. G is there, is a number. By star, down, look. The binomial theorem guarantees that every integer power raising from 0 to the n yields non-zero integers. That means non-zero integers, the total also non-zero, not zero, like g. Okay. Therefore, please, I got a to the n plus b to the n and g equal c to the n. Okay, that means, looks like I repeated that. It's okay. I group it. This group and g group, two parts. Each part less than the whole. See? A to the n plus b to the n less than the c to the n. And g less than 2. Okay, the part less than sum. Okay? And those extra things here for polynomial or binomial, and when you expand it, you will see a polynomial. Okay, I am done. That means my solution is tell 3 line. This is 1 line, really, is good. Then you got second line. Third line is answer. And I tell you, thank you very much. But we have here to honor Professor Andrew Wiles. He spent 10 years and 3 days to describe his solution, and write on paper takes 129 pages. Okay, sure. What else? This is Fermat. See people talking about him. And Honorable Andrew, he did solve it. He has many videos talking about. He proud of his solution.
Choosing a cast iron skillet is like choosing a local real estate agent.
One
You
second.
don't want one that's going to split.
Patient, please. Look, see?
Battle with the problem for many years, and it was finally coming to an end, or had come to an end. Fermat's last theorem actually shaped my career because I found it when I was a child, and I became a number theorist and mathematician because of it, and that was the problem I always had wanted to.
Wow. Of course. He has a right to be proud of himself. I am also proud to him. But there, Andrew Wiles, please, Would you look at my solution? It's just one line. You spend 1/1,000,000 of minute to see it. Then, where is my recognition in the world? And especially you, honorable Professor Andrew Weil, you spent 10 years and you became mathematician because of this Fermat's question. Fermat, why you asked that question? This is this logic. You tell Earth plus Moon equal to universe, and A to the N plus B to the N equal to C to the N. Do you know C to the N is the universe? And A to the N, B to the N, just two parts of that universe, not all. And how come you are asking this question? Did you realize that, or you made joke on people? 400 of these people are working to prove, and the proof is one line. Why the basic logic is not allowed this question to be happen? Is Earth plus Moon equal universe? No, this can't be answered by any person age maybe 4. Okay. Then I am proud of my solution. Then their evaluators, why you prevented me to apply to your evaluator like American Math Society? And I have some group telling group of number theory blocked my articles. And when honorable professor told me, go away from Cambridge opening gates, this is academic place, your level is not that, because I told my level of solution 6 elementary school, or go to 9 high school. And this is logic from you, honorable professor, to tell me go away from Cambridge opening gates. And Cambridge opening gates, I have, I think, more than 35,000 honorable mathematicians look at it. And why you are telling me that, dear professor? My full respect to you, but you injured me, and you know, why you are telling that? What we are not talking about level of 6th grade or 10th grade, because many smart people in any level, even the rich man, poor man, homeless, carpenter, farmer, professor, or are same with thinking. Let me think, please. And I tell you, there, Fermat Perry, your question is not logic. You tell Earth plus Moon equal universe. And do you know binomial for 2 terms? And how come you didn't think about that? 400 years people are working. They didn't find the real answer. Anyway, thank you so much. I am asking for my right, for my recognition from honorable professors, please. Why you are ignoring me? I have Fermat, I have Euler, I have 2 prime, I have Pythagoras in nice writing way, not pictures, and many things I have. Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye.